next we are going to write other examples for inserting the data and reading the data. So here we are writing SQL code only. In Python, in a string form, we are writing SQL code only, right? Yeah. Let me create another example to insert the data. In this, what I'm doing, write a Snowflake Python integration application to perform insert data into employee table. Let's say here, I'm using first, let me create a new file, insert table, insert Snowflake table dot py file. Let's copy previous program. Okay, let's enter here. Just remove this SQL logic, execute logic. Okay, then copy this code from our connect here. Okay, let's see this one. Let's copy this one. Then let's paste here. Here, cursor object contain execute functionality. Replace this one. Let's once again take this statement. Okay, place in our code. Okay, now see here what we are doing. We return insert query into EMP table. We are inserting one record. Before inserting this example, let's verify whether data is presented in our EMP table or not. I am writing select star from EMP. Then let's select this query, execute this query, control enter. Now it is showing query produced no result. Once this program execution is successful, we are going to see one record. Right click on this program and you can click run Python file in terminal. You can see data is inserted successfully. Now let's go to Snowflake Web UI, re-execute this one, control enter. See, one record we are seeing. Yes or no? Next example team. Next example. In this example, I want to insert multiple records team. Write a Snowflake Python integration application to perform multiple records insertion. Okay, for this one, what I am going to do is I am going to prepare a list of values. Then I want to pass this list as a parameter to insert the query. So if you remember in API, I said execute many, we can pass SQL and list of values. Then it will take each row as an input, then inserts. It inserts all rows into Snowflake. Okay, let me go to VS Code. Let's create another Python file. Write insert multiple records into Snowflake dot py. Okay, let's press enter. Then take this insert query, take complete code, place here, just change this execute functionality and SQL statement. Okay, take this code from here. So take this select SQL query and list object, then execute functionality, then commit already presented there. You can say commit. Let's place here. Then take this code, modified code, take this modified code, then place into here. Yeah, correct. So cursor dot execute many, then replace here. Correct, you are correct. So we have to use cursor dot execute many. Then save this program. So currently our table contain only one record. Once I execute this one, then it is going to contain 6 records. Right click on this program and run Python program in a terminal. Let's wait to complete the program. Yeah, let's observe here. Not all arguments are converted during string formatting. Let me observe this query. So here we are using insert into EMP column names, employee number, employee name, salary, gender, department number, values of question mark, question mark, question mark, question mark, question mark. So first question mark for employee number in numeric form. Second question mark is for employee name, which is string form. Third question mark is for string data, sorry, numeric data. Fourth question mark is for string data. Fifth question mark is for this one. Let's go create a table. Let's see here, salary also integer form. Okay. Once again, let's check this error. Let's check this error, what it is showing. So cursor dot execute many SQL query values. This is values. We passed values. Let's check, is there any comma missed? Yes. Last we are using comma, right? Last, let's remove this comma. Let's save this one. Okay. Once again, let's run. Let's run Python in terminal, because last record should not contain comma. Okay, still we are getting error saying type not all arguments are converted during string formatting. Once again, let's check. Middle, is there any comma is missing? No, first row. No in second row. No in third row. And no in fourth to fifth row. And 106 also. No. Then once again, see error here. Instead of spending more time, let's take help of our GPT. Ask GPT. I am getting below error for this program. Program I am pasting error, and error I am placing here. This is the program, and copy the error. Copy the error. Then give error message to GPT. Press enter. Let's scroll down. See the result provided by GPT. So here, let's see. So when you write using this values function, Python tries to do string formatting and files, which causes this error. Okay, here it is expecting string format. So what these guys are saying, use insert query with these parameters. With parameters. Change this one here. Just change parameters format. Next one, let's observe. Other than that, nothing is different in this program. Let's save this program. Right click on this program. Run this program in terminal. Now it is executed successfully. In our program, just change these parameters. Okay. Other than that, nothing. Then go to Snowflake. Go to Snowflake. Once again, run this select query. Now you are going to see 6 records. See, 6 records are inserted successfully. Yes or no? So using our Snowflake program, we have performed single insert and multi insert. Clear, right?